What is happening, Bitcoin Bulletin fam? Get ready for a rapid-fire download because the crypto cosmos is exploding with news, and you're getting it first. We're talking about market-shaking events, expert predictions, and coin movements that could redefine your portfolio. The pace is insane, the stakes are higher than ever, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out on the future. Stick around because the updates we're dropping today are absolutely unmissable. First up, we've got an eye-opening look at Bitcoin's future, with experts pinpointing a specific altcoin that could be the 50X opportunity of the year. Think bigger gains than BTC itself. Then, we dive deep into the whirlwind surrounding Ripple and XRP, with massive transfers and the burning question of an ETF. Plus, we're breaking down the latest on Bitcoin's wild price swings and those $100,000 crash warnings. And hold on to your hats, because Tether is stepping into the spotlight, addressing rumors and confirming their strategy with Bitcoin, gold, and land. It's a packed show, so let's get right into it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Experts are buzzing about a potential 50X opportunity outside of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin hovers around $112,000, with predictions for 2026 ranging wildly, the real excitement is shifting to a PayFi altcoin called Remittix. This project has already shattered expectations, raising over $24.2 million and selling 649 million tokens, signaling massive investor confidence. Analysts are not just comparing Remittix to Bitcoin, they're calling it the potential 50X opportunity of the year. Unlike Bitcoin, which faces resistance and shows fragile bull momentum, Remittix is designed for real-world money transfers, giving it a unique edge. With major exchange listings on Bitmart and LBank already secured, and a massive $250,000 giveaway amplifying community engagement, Remittix is poised for explosive growth. Experts believe it could surge long before its competitors, making it the top crypto to buy now for those seeking explosive gains beyond Bitcoin's more conservative outlook. Traders are flocking to Remittix, seeing it as the next big thing in PayFi, potentially offering 100x returns and outperforming Bitcoin's next cycle. Don't go anywhere, because the crypto world never sleeps. Next, we're diving into the seismic shifts happening with Ripple's XRP and Bitcoin's surprising crash warnings. XRP is making waves with massive transfers and ETF speculation heating up the market. Ripple and XRP have dominated headlines this week, not just for billions in XRP transfers, but also for intensifying speculation around an XRP ETF. With Polymarket showing nearly 94% odds of approval and 7 XRP-linked funds filed with the SEC, the institutional interest is palpable, mirroring the early days of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. The on-chain activity is staggering, with over $6.08 billion worth of XRP moved across wallets, and a net release of 300 million XRP, valued at around $830 million, fueling market buzz. This surge in activity, coupled with XRP futures hitting over $1 billion in open interest faster than any other contract, highlights its growing prominence. While skeptics note major players like BlackRock haven't entered the XRP market, the momentum is undeniable, with daily volume jumping 44% to $6.57 billion. Despite a recent price dip, the underlying market activity suggests significant potential. The community is buzzing with anticipation for an XRP ETF, while XRP's market activity shows a robust uptick in trading volume. But the story doesn't end there. We're uncovering critical on-chain data for Bitcoin that could signal more pain or a massive rebound. Get ready for the latest on Bitcoin's SDHSOPR metric and what it means for your holdings. Bitcoin's short-term holder metric just flipped a critical level, but is more pain on the horizon. Bitcoin has shown resilience, holding above $110,000 despite recent bearish pressure stemming from weaker-than-expected U.S. employment data. This sustained hold indicates strong investor conviction, and new on-chain data suggests the market might be absorbing selling pressure. The short-term holder spent output profit ratio, SDHSOPR metric, which tracks the profitability of investors holding coins for less than 155 days, has just reclaimed the crucial 1 threshold after 20 days. This means short-term holders are finally selling at a profit again, a sign that capitulation might be over and accumulation by long-term holders could be taking place. Historically, when SDHSOPR dips below 1, it signifies weak hands exiting, paving the way for recovery rallies. However, analyst Frank warns that the market might intentionally inflict more pain on short-term holders before the next major upward move. Investors are advised to exercise caution as Bitcoin sits at a critical juncture, with its price currently hovering around $110,200. This metric flip is a significant development, potentially signaling the end of the current distribution phase for Bitcoin. And speaking of Bitcoin, we've got major news straight from the source regarding Tether's holdings and their controversial investment strategy. Stay tuned as we break down Tether's response to sell-off rumors and their commitment to BTC, gold, and land. Tether SDOPS Bitcoin sell-off rumors confirms major asset allocation strategy. Recent speculation suggesting Tether was offloading its Bitcoin reserves to buy gold has been officially shut down by Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino. He directly denied these rumors, reaffirming the stablecoin issuer's commitment to its strategic allocation of profits into Bitcoin, gold, and land. The confusion arose from comparisons of Tether's Q1 and Q2 2025 attestation data, where a decrease in BTC holdings from 92,650 to 83,274 was observed. However, Jan 3 CEO Samson Moe clarified that this apparent reduction was due to Tether transferring 19,800 BTC to a separate initiative, 21 Capital, XXI, during the same period. This transfer, split between June and July, accounts for the discrepancy without indicating a sell-off of core holdings. Tether's clear confirmation of its ongoing investment strategy in Bitcoin, gold, and land reassures the market and highlights its long-term confidence in these assets. And that's a wrap on today's massive crypto updates. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more breaking news. All right, crypto crew, let's do a lightning recap. Experts are eyeing a PayFi altcoin, Remittix, as a potential 50X opportunity. Ripple's XRP is seeing massive transfers and serious ETF hype. Bitcoin's short-term holder metric has flipped, but analysts are watching for more potential pain. And Tether is setting the record straight, confirming their holding and buying Bitcoin, gold, and land. That's all for today, but the market never sleeps, and neither do we. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, follow us on all social platforms, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about these updates. See you in the next one.